This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into OneDrive. Com with the account you intend to clear. This gives you full control. Once signed in, pause desktop sync so files you delete online don't reappear from a synced device. Make sure to back up any critical documents elsewhere, an external drive or another cloud, because deletions can be permanent. Next, open the storage view to see what consumes space. This helps you target large folders first and speeds up the rest of the process. Now you delete systematically. In Files view, sort by size and remove the largest items first, so you reclaim the most space quickly. Make sure to clear version history for documents you no longer need. Versions can take significant room. Check Shared and Shared by Me sections and remove files you own but no longer use. If a folder is synced from your PC, unsync or unlink that device to prevent automatic re-upload. These steps ensure the cloud stays lean versus letting local. Finish by emptying the OneDrive recycle bin so deleted items free space immediately. Note Microsoft keeps items for 30 days unless you remove them sooner. If you no longer need paid storage, cancel the plan and subscriptions to avoid future charges. Finally, uninstall or unlink the OneDrive app from devices you won't use. If storage doesn't reflect changes right away, sign out, wait a few minutes, then sign back in. This forces a refresh. If problems persist, check the service status or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.